Mrs. Hensley's friends, I need you to go into your manila envelope that says Letter Crafts and get your Letter Craft flower, your letter F that says, get this out. At the top it says Letter Craft, right here, Letter Craft dash flower. So if you could get that out, that would be great. We are going to be making that today. Okay. So Mrs. Hensley has hers all colored, but you're going to color your letter F right here, your lowercase f. These right here are leaves, so you're going to color the leaves right here. And this is the middle of your flower, and this is your flower petal right here. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley already has hers colored. This is my lowercase f, and I colored it green. These are my leaves that I also colored green. It's hard for you to tell. The lighting is not all that great. Here's the middle of my flower petal. I colored it yellow. And here is my flower petal, which I colored pink. It's really hard for you to tell. The lighting's not all that great in here. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley has already got them colored, so I'm going to show you how they get put together. So you will need crayons, you will need a glue stick, and you will need scissors. Remember, when you're cutting after you've colored your lowercase f, your leaves, your flower petals, and your pollen that goes in the middle of your flower petals. Once you have colored those, you will need to cut them out. Remember, your scissors are always pointing to the sky. Okay, always pointing to the sky. You're moving your paper, you're not moving your scissors, okay? Always pointing to the sky. Okay, Mrs. Hensley has her lowercase f, and f says, and I'm going to put my petals on my lowercase f with my glue stick. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley's glue stick is not working. Hold on just a moment. Mrs. Hensley is back. Sorry about that. Mrs. Hensley's glue was all dried up because someone forgot to put the lid in, so I got a new one. Put a lid on it. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley put a little bit of glue on the back of my petal here. And I'm putting my petals on this part of my lowercase f. Okay, then I'm going to put my flower on the top part of my f, like that. Can you see that? And then the middle of my flower and my yellow part right there in the middle. So my F is all put together. Except Mrs. Hensley wants to move that down just a little bit. Okay, so my flower is all put together. Okay, this is mine. This is the company's. And you can do your flower whatever color you want. But you do need the stem of your flower to be green and your leaves to be green. But this part of your flower right here can be whatever color you want. This part right here can be whatever color that you want it to be. Okay? You guys have fun making your flower, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.